In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to execute phasing on the three-phase actuator, which is a necessary step to be done prior to executing any types of motions on a three-phase actuator. For this demo, we select an SMAC LC825 three-phase actuator. Now, open up a TwinCAD project and go to the list of the acyclic objects. For general three-phase actuators, make sure that the phase and sense setting is set to 1. And also that the commutation phase is set to 0. Let us now take a look at acyclic objects that are relevant to three-phase actuators. First, there is commutation electrical cycle, which for this particular case of actuator is 10,000 at 800. We also have commutation voltage, which we can set to 10,000, and this value would work in most cases. In this demo, the rest of acyclic objects such as PID settings as well as homing parameters have been pre-configured. Considering that the free run state of VLC-ETC has been activated, let us now execute phasing. For that, change the modes of operation to 7 and then change control word value to 2. Phasing motion has just occurred on the actuator, and we can take a look at the status word of 347, which in binary representation also means that bit 8 is equal to 1. And that means that phasing is successful. We can now perform other modes of operation. For example, we can perform homing, which means that this has to be set to 6. And then to execute homing, we have to change control word first to 1, which is idle condition, and then change it back to 2. And homing motion is happening now. Status word value of 347 also means that bit 6 is equal to 1, and that also means that homing is successful. The rest of the modes of operation such as position move can now be performed, as demonstrated in the previous video tutorial.